Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make guacamole creamy. Full guide. Mash avocados with a fork until mostly smooth, then add lime juice, kosher salt, and a splash of warm water while stirring gently to emulsify and loosen texture. Tasting as you go to balance salt and acid for a silky, well-seasoned guacamole that holds up for dips and tacos. Use a fork and a gentle hand to control texture, aiming for balance between silky and slightly chunky, which many people prefer for mouthfeel and flavor contrast. Incorporate warm water slowly to loosen avocado without diluting taste, and always taste as you go so salt and lime remain balanced, adjusting in small increments to achieve that perfect, creamy but textured guacamole ready for chips or tacos. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and quick recommendation. Stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle I'm using here, perfect for kitchen prep and outdoor picnics. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you grab one, it pairs nicely with chips and guac on the go. Now let's get back to the video. Layer simple flavors to complement creaminess. A little red onion for crunch, jalapeno for gentle heat, and cilantro added at the end to keep herbal brightness. If you like a smoky or savory twist, add a pinch of ground cumin or a few drops of hot sauce, but start conservatively so the avocado remains the star, and always taste and adjust salt and lime before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.